Hello, my loves. I hope you are well. I have a quote for you. Your new life is going to cost you your old one. It's going to cost you relationships and friends. It's going to cost you being liked and understood. The people who are meant for us is going to meet us on the other side. Instead of being liked, you're going to be loved. Instead of being understood, you're going to be seen. All you're going to lose was built for the person you no longer are. If you clicked on this video, you know that you want to go somewhere, but you are afraid of being rejected by your old community. And we will walk you through that today. To make a change, if you want to go from point A to point B, and there is a very big difference between these two options, there will be resistance. You will feel fear and doubt to go here, because our bodies are conditioned to stay safe, and the body thinks that the known is safe, even if it's a really bad choice for you, because it knows that you can survive here. It does not know how surviving as a thriving person feels like. So whenever you try to make a change, your body will work against you, and it will show up as fear. And it can be anything from, changing career, starting your own business. It could also be anything that has to do with who you are currently and who you want to be. If there is a gap, there will be resistance. And in this video, I'm going to help you overcome the fear of being rejected by the old community when we go here. I have 5 points that I want to cover, and I think they will make a huge impact in your life if you bring them to heart, and it definitely has for me. The first point is to connect to your vision and to your mission, to know your why. When you have a strong why, it's so much easier to overcome the fear. When you have a strong burning desire towards here, it's easier to let go of this. But if we have a very vague vision or mission, the fear will feel very loud. The second point is to fully accept yourself. Radically accept yourself and become much more loyal to her than to them liking you in your old community. When you feel so anchored in, like, this is who I am, this is what I stand for, and this is where I'm going, it's so much easier to handle the rejection and the doubts and the ridicule and anything that will come from your old community. 100%. Like these 2 points, if we do them, you can almost skip the other two. No, stay to this. But we have to understand that it's the community's task. It's like it's other people's task to decide if they judge you, if they don't like you, if they think that what you're doing is too much risk or embarrassing. They actually have the right to do that, and we should not interfere. We shouldn't let them affect us, but they have the right to do that. And to be honest, this group of people who are really attached to the old you, they are most likely a match to the misaligned version of you. So there is, it's not very strange that there will be tension when you try to change, because people like the way you are, because it feels comfortable to their nervous system, and their nervous system does not like change either. So we have to have grace with that and be like, okay, if you decide to leave me, or not stand behind where I'm going, I'm actually okay to let you go. And not because we want to. It might be really painful, and it might be people that you really love and care about and you want them to love you. But if they don't, they are actually not a match for you. And they're actually not good for you. Because if you know in your heart that this is who I am, this is what I stand for, you have to be surrounded by people who love this version of you. And you cannot do that if you try to please this group. And this ties into the last point, and that is to surround yourself with people who are like you. If you are in a community where you only spend time with the 9-to-5 people, that's the mentality they will feed you with. So, and if you feel like I want to start my own thing, I want to dream bigger, you have to surround yourself with entrepreneurs or people who do what you want to do. And it's not that we have to leave them, it's more to realize that there are people like us. There is a community who will love us for who we are and who will support our dreams and who won't be as scared as this group. And honestly, if anyone decides to leave us, even if it's a close family member, even if it's a close friend, it's okay if they choose to do so, because they have the right to do so, just as you have the right to change. But it also opens up a place or a spot for more aligned people. And I think that's how we have to see it and view it to be able to withstand the thought of losing them. And for me, it was a really rough journey to go from a respectable engineer to realize that, oh my God, I want to call myself the unicorn cousin online. And I want to talk about anything I want, personal development, spirituality. I just know, and I've known the whole time that this is like this group, the old community, will not approve of this new path. And it's not that they won't approve, it's just such another world. It's another world for them, and they, regardless of what they think, I know that they are very likely to be judgmental about it. And it haunted me and kept me from actually pursuing something for so long. And it wasn't until I was like really reconnecting to my vision, where I want to go, and also realizing this is me. This is me. And if you do not approve of that, that's okay. And if that's the case, I have to let you go. And just realizing that and being in that energy freed me to go do the thing. Because I'm no longer scared of what they think. And it's okay if they judge. And when I was bedbound in chronic fatigue, I realized what a waste to try to fit into a mold that isn't you. I was like laying there in bed and be like, from what I saw then, my life is over. I have no ability to do anything with my life now. And I wasted it on trying to please this group that I'm not even a match for. That's not even me. I chose a career that isn't in alignment with me. I was very young. Like it's so easy to make the wrong choice when you are young. And in that moment, I was like, if I do get my life back, I have to make sure to overcome all my fear and doubts and find a way to radically accept myself and show up to the world as me as I am here today. And it's been so fucking hard, and this is why I do these videos, to help you. Like every video that I make about overcoming something, it's because I have overcome it. I will share how I did it. and how it changed my life. And this is the way. This is the way. And I understand that there are other ways as well, but this is the fucking way. And I like the what I want for you is for you to follow your dream, to live in alignment with you, find ways through my videos to overcome all the fears that is preventing you and building a bridge from point A to point B, so that you can start living and creating the life that you really want to live. I hope that this resonated, and let me know what journey you are embarking on, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.